Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps crashing on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Facebook. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage as you see, and you can click. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.